Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video going through some of the tools that we have built and what we plan to build. So again, the tools that we build, it all goes back to our website strategy of branding you as the fencing experts in your service areas. And apart from the instant fence estimate tool, your competition will not have the fence maintenance plan tool or fence material comparison tool. And what this does is that it provides an edge ahead of your competition because you're providing them with valuable education that they won't find anywhere else. So in this video, I'm just going to be going through each tool one by one, explaining the purpose. Then I will do a demo of the Instant Fence Estimate tool. So the Instant Fence Estimate tool is as it reads. It is a tool that allows homeowners to get an instant estimate based on their project needs. And this increases the quality of leads who get in touch with you as they already know the price they already know the price, and this makes it an easier sell and also less time wasters. With the fence maintenance plan tool, what this tool does, it allows homeowners to get a plan on how to maintain their fence. The plan is that the homeowner will input information such as their fence type, fence style, and general information about the condition of their fence, and then our tool will let them know a step-by-step plan on how they can maintain their fence. And again, this just provides valuable information to the homeowner because it keeps their fence maintained, and as a result save them money in the long run through repairs and stuff. But what this does is that it provides you as like an authority in the industry and more importantly in your service areas, and again just builds that strategy of branding you as the fencing experts. The last tool that we're currently working on for now is a fence material comparison tool. And what this does, it will let homeowners use our tool to compare different fence types and styles, and then they will simply enter information such as the purpose of their fence. Then our tool will let the customer know which fence type best suits their needs. So, for example, if a homeowner is looking for a fence in their backyard and they're interested in a privacy fence, and they choose the options of chain link or vinyl, and then they input some information about their purpose of their fence and why they need it and why they need a privacy fence, for example, then our tool will then give the best option out of the chain link and vinyl options that they chose. So that is just an example of how it could work. So now if I just give a quick demo of the instant fence estimate tool, so if I click visit tool, so again, this is a just quick description of how it kind of works, and also just to let you guys know that this is just a demo, and the version on your website will fit your prices and materials, and it will feature a different design because we're currently working on a new upgraded version, which will be a lot more valuable to homeowners. That will be coming soon. So how to use the tool? Step one is to just enter your information, such as your name and email address. Step two is to choose only one fence material and then enter the fence style and fence height from the options that are available. Step three is to enter some more details, such as the total fence length and whether you need a fence removed or a gate installed. And step four is when you click submit, and then you get your instant fence estimate. So if I click get started, and then if I just enter my name and my email, I choose my personal email because at the end I will show you something. Then if I click how we heard about us, that way we can track where the users come from. And then we have choose your fence material, and then these are just examples. Of course, for your project, we could have more or less depending on the fence materials that you offer. For this example, I'm just going to choose vinyl, and then fence style, privacy. Again, on your project, we could have more fence styles and fence heights. If I just click next, and then in total fence length, if I just do 200, if I need the fence removed, I will click this as yes. Gates I would say I need 2 gates, and then we have an option of whether I want a copy sent to my email. I will just click yes. Then I will click my free estimate. And what will happen now is in the background, the tool will then generate instant estimate. So we can see that the total price for your vinyl fence with the style privacy is estimated to be between $12,650 and $14,150. So this is just an estimate, and actual costs can vary. So let's say the homeowner now is interested, they can just click on your website, book a free estimate, or get in touch with you. But what will happen is once they input their information, you will get sent an email to let you know that there's been a new submission on the instant price estimate tool. So it will look something like this. So your subject title will be different, of course. The name, of course, will be your name. And then this is an automated email to let you know that there is a new entry in your version of the instant price estimate submission spreadsheet. And then below you will find a summary of the details that the customer entered and the breakdown of costs. So this information that you see is what only you will see. The homeowner will only see this information. They won't see anything about your costs or anything like that. So if we just go back, as again, we'll just see stuff like this. This is just a summary. And then we also included a section on what the customer saw from the tool. And then you can see the entry in the submission spreadsheet. So if I was to click on this, you can see that this is the new entry. We get the email. And basically, all the information that is summarized here is just in the spreadsheet. So that way you can track and see what users have input over time. And as you saw from the tool when I did the demo, that I want to get sent an email to, I want an email to my personal email. So if I was the homeowner, they will then see something like this. So their name, and then your fence type that they chose, instant fence estimate. So in this case, I chose the vinyl. That's why I'm seeing vinyl. Then it's hi, and it will be the customer name. You inquired about the privacy vinyl fence, and on the real customer project, they'll see the options that they chose, including the height of their fence that they chose. And then here is a confirmation of your fence estimate. And this is just basically a repeat of what they saw in the tool. But now they have a copy sent to their email. And then again, we just let them know that this is just an estimate. Actual costs can vary. And then we include a call to action. So to book your site visit, please contact us on, this is our mobile number. But of course, we'll add yours onto your one. And then, or you could book a free estimate on our website at Pro Web Fencing. And in this case, if I was to click on this, usually it will go to your contact page. But for my scenario and this demo purpose, I just chose it to my call to action, which is a fence website audit. So that is how the tool works. And we've seen a lot of value added to clients who have used it. And so if you're interested in seeing how the tool works more or want a free fence website audit for your business, feel free to get in touch either through just Facebook, just message me, or in our website or this link, and then we will give you a step-by-step plan on how we can help you dominate your local areas and build trust with homeowners.